Hey, I'm going to the bowling alley. You want to come?
I like to go, but I gotta go to Steve's. I borrowed some money from him. I gotta return the $3,000 I got, you know? His wife's been insisting for months.
Yeah, my wife wanted me to do the same thing, except I have to pay out the bills.
Love me, say that you love me, fool me.
What place is that, Mike?
Oh, that's my new
Oh,
ringtone.
that's great, Mike. But I gotta go, Mike. All right, see ya.
Wait, I could drop you off.
No, it's not too far. A few blocks away across the park. If you want, we can go later. It'll be quick.
Okay, I'll be back.
Give me your money!
What money?
What's in the purse?
That's just paper.
Give it to me! Love me, say that
Michael.
you love me, fool
You?
me, fool